how to open a Remitly account and send money internationally. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to open a Remitly account and send money internationally. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Remitly website in your preferred browser. Over here, what you have to do is that first select your destination country where you want to send money. After that, click on sign up. Then enter your email and password, or you can sign up with below given options as well. After that, tap on send money. Then enter the amount that you want to send and tap on continue. After that, choose the delivery method through which you want to send money. You can select bank deposit or cash money or mobile money. I will go for bank deposit. Now select the recipient bank who you want to send. Then just enter his bank account number and tap on continue. Then enter recipient information and tap on continue. Then enter his phone number. After that, you have to enter your details and tap on continue. Then enter your address, then phone number and tap on continue. After verification, choose your payment method. Keep in mind that credit cards may incur extra fees. Complete the payment process and double check all transfer details before confirming. Once the transfer is confirmed, Remitly will provide their bank details for manual transfers if needed. If you pay with a card, the transfer will process immediately. So that's basically how you can open a Remitly account and send money internationally. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.